guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by and welcome. My name is Kemi, aka KK. I'm so excited to be back again filming for YouTube. I've been gone quite a while, but yeah, a bitch is back. So today guys, I wanted to film like a fun video. Excuse the redness of my eyes. If you follow me, you already know that I have red eyes already, but I put in some contact lenses for this look, and yeah, my eyes are ablaze right now, so we're gonna excuse that. Hopefully it calms down, you know, towards the end of the video. Everything that I used in the video I will try to put in the video, otherwise I will leave in the description box below. I am going to be playing around with a couple of new products that I picked out. The star of this look, which would be what I use on my eyes, is going to be the Revolution Calming Kiss of Fire collaboration palette. I picked up this palette a couple weeks ago and I have used it quite a few times already. I really like the palette. The packaging is super sleek, very sturdy, and even the box it comes with is really cool as well. The shadows in there are absolutely beautiful. They're pigmented, good quality for the price that you pay for them. It's a really vibrant, you know, palette with the colors in there. I love the bright, beautiful color selection. I will just swatch just one of two colors, so I will swatch a matte shadow and I will go for the mustardy yellow, and I will go for a shimmery color. Y'all know I like purple, so I'm gonna go for this shimmery color here. Is that shimmer? Yeah, it's like a duochrome color. So that's what they look like with just my finger in them, and I'm going to just do that. So for a palette that only costs £10, the pigmentation is absolutely bomb. So I've already started off my look. I wasn't going to record this before, but I just thought, you know what, just record it, bitch. So I've already done my eyebrows, filled in my eyebrows, and I have gone on to prep my eyes. So to fill in my eyebrows, I used my e.l.f. Espresso gel liner cream brow cream thing and to prep my eyes, oh, and then I went over with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter just to lay the hairs in place, and then to prep my eyes I went in with my P. Louise 05 Rumor Base. Yeah, I hope that you enjoy. If it's your first time here, please be sure to subscribe, particularly more so if you enjoy the video. And if it's not your first time, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then guys, be good, stay safe, take care of yourself. I love you all. Bye guys.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. Ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't get any closer. Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge